In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. If you want to send photos using iPhone default messages app, here's how to do it step by step. First, launch it and decide if you want to pick one of your chats or create a new one. To continue, use this plus at the top left corner of your keyboard, or if your keyboard is hidden, at the bottom left corner of your screen. Either way, when you click, you will see this pop-up. Now, to add a photo that's already on your device, select Photos. Look for it here and tap on it to add it. If you can't find it here, swipe and look for them here. Tap on the chosen ones, and to add them, use this check mark at the top right corner. You can look in Photos or Collections. Now, if you can't find your photo, you can go back to Photos section and use those tools at the bottom. This magnifying glass to type in whatever you want to, and this way find your photo. Or those three dots at the bottom left corner to pick one of those options, like sort by date captured. Wherever you decided, remember that after tapping on your photos, you should click this check mark at the top. If you want to take a photo and add it right away, tap on the same plus, and this time choose camera at the top of the pop-up. Now, usually it will be set up on photo, but if you see video is yellow, you need to click on photo here. Then tap on it again. Most people miss this part, but this way you can access all of those options. Then go back, use all of those at the top left corner, right corner, and those above the shutter. To change your camera, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. If you decided you don't want to take a photo after all, click on this plus at the top left one. But I want to take one, so I will snap it and show you what you can do with it. Obviously, if you don't like it, hit retake at the top left corner and redo it. Then select edit at the bottom left one. Change whatever you want to and tap on cancel or done. You can also click on markup and do exactly the same. Now you can click on this arrow at the bottom right corner to send your photo right away, or done at the top right corner to simply add it to your message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!